So it's a bit of a cloudy, rainy day here in sunny California. So I thought it would be the perfect day to test out these lights that I got for like a really sweet Black Friday deal. And I wanted to show you guys them to see if you guys wanted to add these to your arsenal. I'm little by little leveling up everything that I had. I started with a very, very cheap setup. You can see my past videos for that stuff. But I got these lights because I've been noticing some shadows in my photos, and instead of like in post-production going off and like editing each photo using apps like Photo Room or Lightroom, I just want to try to eliminate that step from my from the steps that I do. And I thought that this would be the perfect way to eliminate these sort of shadows. So I got these lights from Amazon Black Friday, like I said, and we're gonna open them up together. The brand is like UB Size, I guess. I don't know, someone tell me. But we're gonna open them up and see how it goes. These lights will be linked in the description and found in my Amazon storefront. The links are in my bio, so go ahead and check those out. My storefront has all the products and items that I use for my reselling business. So I got my scissors. Let's get to unboxing. All right, so let's open this guy up. Like I said, I got it on Amazon, and I've always been the type of person that I don't like to upgrade my things until I'm ready, until I have the profits for it. So I thought that it was time. My setup before, if you guys didn't know, was just like one ring light, and then some like little LEDs that I used around. So I would notice that there would be shadows, and if most of you don't know, I'm also a photographer. I would go in and edit the photos afterward using an app like Photo Room or another computer program like Lightroom. That's what I would typically do. But I want to try to eliminate that step. And as a photographer, obviously, like, I know these lights are actually good. These are some lights that I did want for like my stuff, so I'm quite excited to be able to use them for both things now. All right, so here we are. Here's the box. This is how it comes in, all packaged nice. I'm gonna be able to reuse these boxes for like things now that I'm like getting more into hard goods. All right, so we got these like nice carrying cases here. I'm assuming both lights, because I got like 2 lights, so. Oh yeah, here's the soft box. Nice. This is my first time trying out this brand, but the reviews look good. I see some other sellers use these lights, so definitely think that this will be a good one. All right, so that looks good. It comes with this little carrying case, which is really nice for like space and storage, because I don't have that much space like other people do. So we got the other light here. There's the where you put in the bulb, and then obviously the stand gets attached here. But and then here's like the actual soft box thing that you put over it. You got the instructions. Assuming this is the bulb, yeah. So this is comes really packaged up in these boxes, really great. So all right, so there's one of the bulbs. Oh, and then this is a carrying case for everything, so that's pretty neat too. The other bulb, and then these are the stands. So it looks like it's pretty easy and straightforward to set up. The instructions look really simple. So I'm gonna get this all set up, and then I'll show you guys how it goes, and then I'll show you guys the results. Overall, the setup of the lights wasn't hard at all. I sped it up obviously in a time lapse so you guys could see this in a much faster view, but you basically snap in that black ring into the base, and then you would put in the light bulb, and then obviously cover it up with that softbox, and then you just put it on the stand. So it's very, very straightforward. I set this up in, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes since it was like my first time, but it's very, very straightforward, as you can see here in this video. All right, we got our setup all set up now. Here is the backdrop that I use. If you want a tutorial about how I made it and all that, it could be found in my other videos, so go and check that out. And here is Trisha's trusted hanger. Again, everything I use will be linked down below. So let's get to it. Let's test these lights out. I got this blazer. I haven't even processed it yet. It still has the tag and everything, but it is a Bolo brand, so definitely be on the lookout for Zegna. Or Zegna, I don't know how you pronounce it, but definitely be on the lookout for them. This is a wool blend blazer. Comps are going anywhere between like 60 to 120, so I'm excited about it. Let's put it on Trisha's hanger here. As an example, I'm obviously not going to take photos, but just want to see what it looks like here. I'll snap some photos right now and then I'll show you guys the results. So as you can tell, that looks already so much nicer. I have all the details. I don't have any shadows. Even if I'm moving around here, I don't get any shadows. That's what these that's what these boxes do. They cut out the shadows and all that good stuff. So definitely, if you're getting a whole bunch of shadows in your images like I was, and you're not really good at editing photos, or that's just like too time consuming and too silly like I feel it is, then definitely get yourself some of these light boxes, because quite honestly, I haven't even taken a photo and I already know that these are worth it. So let me show you guys the results of the photos that I took using this method. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave your thoughts in the comments. I really love these lights. I'm pretty sure that they're keepers. I love my setup. It's like leveling up now with these lights. And yeah, if you guys want to know how to make this lay flat setup like I did, then go check out my other videos. Till next time, don't forget to thrift dirty. Love you guys.